Imagine a beautiful garden. Grassy slopes, colorful flowers, ripe, delicious vegetables, broad, leafy trees. But this is no ordinary garden.
Here, questions are planted and nourished with research and expertise. Exchange and debate help the ideas to grow, from questions to ideas and from ideas to solutions.
In short, this is a knowledge garden called Ecologic Institute. And who are we? Well, we tend this garden. We are Ecologic Institute staff. Come on, we'll show you around. We help knowledge to grow, to feed environmental policy making. We carry out research and help to bring new issues onto the political agenda. We also provide expertise to lawmakers, organize dialogues on implementing legislation, and evaluate how policy helps the environment.
We do this with a focus on European and international environmental policy and sustainable development. Our work is funded by a whole range of clients and sponsors, and we cooperate with partner institutions all over the world.
To discuss and disseminate the fruits of our work, our staff also includes teams of busy bees who handle event planning and web design. Now you have a general idea of what our garden is like. Let's take a closer look at what it has to offer.
One of our most important activities is creating reports. These cover a whole range of topics, such as climate change, energy, biodiversity, and many more. Depending on the topic and the audience, the sizes and weight of these reports can vary.
Have a look at this one. This is a legal report dealing with the question of what a climate protection law could look like in Germany. Oh, and here's another one. This one deals with biomass standards. But we could spend the whole day here. Let's go see other parts of the garden. Communication is a vital component of our garden.
The exchange of ideas enriches policy. This is why Ecologic Institute finds out who wants to know what, brings the right people together, and organises discussions between them. One of our recent dialogues was called Calamar. On behalf of the European Union, we brought together marine experts, stakeholders and policymakers from the United States and from Europe. These key players exchanged knowledge and best practice and put forward a series of policy recommendations for better ocean management across the Atlantic.
So you see, the knowledge that grows here doesn't just stay in the garden. We share it with others.
In our visitor programs, people from around the world come to see our garden. In 2011, for example, a Chinese delegation came to Germany to learn about climate policy, climate protection, and renewable energy.
It's great to have lots of visitors in the garden. Not only to have them look at our ideas and solutions, but also for us to learn about theirs. The ecologic garden thrives because of its diversity. We come from all over the world and have all kinds of backgrounds. This means that we can provide creative and interdisciplinary solutions to a range of issues.
In fact, due to this diversity, we are regularly called upon to tackle novel and particularly complex issues, such as researching the links between climate change, water resources, and human security.
And, like any garden, if you tend to it well, people take notice.
In 2010, we had the honour of being ranked the 6th best environmental think tank, according to a worldwide review by the University of Pennsylvania.
Well, thanks for joining us. We've really enjoyed showing you around. But there's so much more to see, so please, come and visit us at one of our gardens across the world.